A marriage, as most of us understand it, is a voluntary and full commitment. It is made in the deepest sense to the exclusion of all others, and it is entered into with a desire and hope that will last for eternity.
Remember when you told me that you loved me?
Megan, do you come here freely and without reservation to give yourself to Patrick in marriage? If so, answer, I do.
I do.
Like the rain falls, and I left them
Patrick,
there.
do you come here freely and without reservation to give yourself to Megan in marriage? If so, please answer, I do.
I do.
I'd wear the weight again. I've been asking the questions, waiting on answers that haven't been written. An endless sea of faces, yours is the only one I've been chasing.
You both look forward to a shared future that includes raising a happy and healthy family together. The years will come and go. You won't take each other for granted. You will laugh a lot, and you will be the best parents that you can be. You will grow older and wiser together. You are both about to embark on this journey called life together.
Omega, happy wedding day. Please accept this small gift as a token of my love for you and our future together. Your abundance for life is something I admire daily. The genuine purity of your love is fascinating to me. I promise to always be the rock in your life, respect you for you, be your protector, your lover, your best friend. You will always be first in my life. I want you to soar. I can't wait to see you walk down the aisle in a few hours. I'll be waiting for you at the end of the rainbow on bated breath. A love story as grand as ours deserves a proper send-up. Cheers to the best night of our lives. Love, Pat.
Patrick Wayne. When people stop and ask me, are you nervous for the big day? The only feelings that come rushing over me are pure joy and happiness. I can honestly say that with every waking moment, I fall more and more in love with you. I am excited about every addition to our squad. This is only just the beginning. Mrs. Harden, love, your wife.
Thank everybody for coming and sharing this wonderful day with us, both sets of parents. But my wife and I were lucky enough to have three blessings, Patrick, Christopher, and Andrew, and they are the lights of our lives. They are tremendous kids. They've all got a high integrity value. They work hard, and they've made us proud in everything that they do. And it is awful nice for us as parents to be able to see our oldest choose a woman who's just like them, that embodies the same values, and their family and our family can join together and celebrate their lives together. So thanks for everybody coming, and Chuck, it's all yours, buddy.
As I said, we raised Megan with integrity, honesty, manners, hard work. Patrick has all those same attributes, and I'm so glad that she found a man that has the same attributes. Anyway, thank you, Pat, for picking Megan, and Megan for picking Pat, because it's a great relationship. And I think your hard work will lead to something great. Thank you.
To our best friend Megan. I can't, you guys.
We want you to enjoy today and to really cherish every single moment, and We're extremely blessed to have you and to be part of your day. And we can't wait to see what your future brings. Love you. Love you.
Now, by the power vested in me by the state of California, it is my honor and delight to declare for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Patrick Harden as husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.